Let's say you're coming to Japan next week. You're excited, right? You probably already started learning some Japanese words like arigato, sumimasen, konnichiwa, or even some cute words like kawaii, sugoi. But let me tell you the truth. These words are not going to save you on your trip to Japan. So let me teach you the five real phrases that you would expect to use as a traveler in Japan or even as someone who's coming to Japan for the first time. So let's get started. Okay, let's get into the first phrase. Probably the most important one because no matter where you go, train stations, malls, parks, you'll always need this. Toire wa doko desu ka? Toire wa doko desu ka means where is the toilet? Now let's break it down. Toire means toilet. Wa is subject marker or topic marker. Doko is where. And deska is a polite question ending. So literally toilet where it is. So let's consider an example situation. You're in Shibuya station, right? Holding your shopping bags and suddenly panic. You can't find the restroom and you go to a staff member and say, "Sumimasen, toire wa doko desu ka?" "Sumimasen, toire wa doko desu ka?" And they'll usually point out the way or even walk you there. Japanese people are super helpful. So this is the first phrase, toire wa doko desu ka? Now let's get into the second phrase. This is your magic word in Japan. You can use it literally everywhere. Let's say you bump into someone. You say, "Sumimasen." You want to get the waiter's attention? "Sumimasen." Someone picks up something that you dropped. "Ah, sumimasen." So this word is polite, friendly, and very Japanese. If you don't know how to start talking to someone, just start with "sumimasen." It gets attention politely. And even when you say thank you for a small favor, many Japanese people respond with "sumimasen," not "arigato," because it sounds more humble. So, yes, "sumimasen" is like your all in one word. It can mean excuse me, it can mean sorry, and even thank you sometimes. The third phrase. Now imagine you're in a convenience store or in a street market. You're doing shopping and suddenly in a shop you don't know how to say the item name in Japanese. Don't worry, just point at the item and say "kore kudasai." Kore kudasai. It's a polite, short, and super easy word to remember. Let's consider another example. So, you're at a bakery and you see a delicious pastry, but you can't read the name. And what you have to do is just point at the pastry and say, "Kore kudasai." The staff will smile and pack it for you. I'm sure about it. So let's break down the word. Kore. Kore means this. Kudasai means please give me. Kudasai, please. So it literally means please give me this. Super practical, right? Our fourth phrase. Now, this is another life saving phrase, I would say. It's short, polite, and fits in many situations. Daijoubu desu. Daijoubu desu. Let's consider some examples. If someone offers you a bag, most probably in a convenience store where the person who's working there asks you like, "Fukuro irimasu ka?" Do you need a bag? "Fukuro irimasu ka?" You can say "Daijoubu desu." "Daijoubu desu," which means I'm okay, no thank you. Let's consider another example. If someone asks you like, "Daijoubu desu ka?" "Swarnaa-san, daijoubu desu ka?" "Swarnaa-san, are you okay?" You can say, "Daijoubu desu," I'm fine. So it's the same word, but different meaning based on the situation and the tone. And I would give you a small tip. Always, smile while saying the word like "daijoubu desu." So people understands that you're saying that I'm okay instead of saying like leave me alone. "Daijoubu desu." You should not say, like with a sad face or like a strict face. Give a small smile while saying the word so people can understand it's like she's saying okay, she's okay. So this phrase is essential if you plan to shop, buy souvenirs, or eat in a small local stalls where prices aren't always displayed. You can ask ikura desu ka? Ikura desu ka means how much is it? For example, if you're buying a cute keychain in Asakusa, you can point at the keychain and say ikura desu ka? You can ask them how much is it? So let's break down the word. Ikura. Ikura means how much, and deska is a polite question. You can combine this word ikura deska with kore kudasai and say ikura deska kore kudasai, which means how much is it? I'll take it. If you're still watching this video till this time, great. I'll give you a bonus phrase for those moments when you get stuck. 英語はわかりますか？英語わかりますか？英語わかりますか？ Which means, do you understand English? Say it kindly with a smile. If they don't understand, they might say ちょっと or they might say わかりません。ごめん、わかりません. They might respond with these phrases. Even if they don't speak English, most of the Japanese people always try to help. So don't be afraid to ask. Just go to a person and say, すみません、英語わかりますか? You can ask them politely with a small smile. So that's it. 5 must know Japanese phrases before coming to Japan. Let's quickly review. トイレはどこですか? トイレはどこですか? Where's the toilet? すみません。すみません. You can use it for excuse me, sorry, and even thank you. これください。これください. This one please. これください. This one please. 大丈夫です。大丈夫です。I'm okay or no thank you. いくらですか? いくらですか? How much is it? いくらですか? And our bonus phrase, 英語わかりますか? 英語わかりますか? Do you understand English? Now you're ready to survive in Japan like a pro. Which phrase do you find the most useful? Comment below and tell me. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. I'll see you in the next lesson. またね、ありがとうございます。